What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, The Branch Family, y'all. So, guys, I know, Papa, don't start screaming. Please don't start screaming. But, guys, in today's vlog, y'all, I know we kind of looking rough right now. You know, she got her bonnet on, my do-rag. So, in today's vlog, y'all, we are actually going to be hitting up a pumpkin patch. What pumpkin patch is it?
I can't say it.
Sniff Farm.
Sniff Farm.
We've been there. We've been there last year. I believe we vlogged actually last year.
Yeah,
when Leo was actually little.
Yeah, he was like 4 months.
We are actually about to go in Burlington and Target to actually see what we can actually wear. That's why we're looking like, you know, all beat up and stuff right now, guys. But from here, the plan is to actually go straight to the farm.
And this pumpkin patch is pretty big. I feel like it's one of the bigger ones that they have out here. But yeah, like this year I really wanna you know, take our time and do all the rides and activities that they have there for Leo. We were trying to get like matching outfits. We have not gone like fall shopping or anything like that, so we're just gonna go in here real quick and see if we can find something that we can all match as a family and probably get dressed in the car and get ready. I brought like my makeup bag, everything, and different boots because I want to wear boots.
You talking about getting dressed in the car? I said we should get dressed in Target. Start our vlog in Target. Getting dressed. You know what I'm saying? Some raw.
I'm embarrassed to even go in the store and I want a bonnet. I've never stepped out of the house with a bonnet on, so this is really like, I feel very cringy right now.
If you are new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Let's get out and let's get going, bro.
Get the air off.
Let's go, baby. Skirt.
I want to wear a skirt.
What was that called? A pencil skirt?
I don't know pencil skirt. It's a mini skirt.
That off brown? A dark brown and off brown?
Yeah.
It go though.
Cream.
Yeah, it go. Yeah, I like it.
I need a skirt.
Yeah.
And then I got brown boots in the car.
Nah. This one looks nice too. What you think about that? What you think about this one?
No.
There's no fall stuff here. Target, where all the fall stuff, bro? Come on now. Y'all lacking. Papa, go put it back. People work folding those. Move. Leave it. Leave it.
I'm pulling the skirt because it fits me loose. Like,
What is supposed to be tight or something?
well, yeah. Look at all the room, and then look at how like.
Well, untuck this. Why you gotta tuck down?
Because that's how you do it. Because then this.
Oh, you look like
right.
a teacher now.
No, I'm not feeling this.
This is all right. It's giving definitely Sunday. Sunday at church.
That's the point.
Pants, yeah.
They fit you good?
So unfortunately, guys, we ain't finding nothing in this bad boy. This Target definitely lacked the, what is it, winter? You said winter, right? Fall. The fall wardrobe. Ross?
Yeah.
She pissed off. Look at her. Pissed off. You good, dude?
Yeah, I hate that we're doing this literally when we're supposed to be going somewhere right now. We should have gone yesterday to the store, how I said, and got dressed at the house like normal people. And you trying to dress me in the damn fitting room.
Okay, so we have finally made it to the farm. We try to get here before the sun went down, and it's freaking down already. Oh my freaking gosh, she's still in the damn car. You ready, baby? It's kind of cold out here a little bit. About to scan our tickets. Like a Perla fit right there. Leo messed her shirt up.
I think I'm gonna turn it inside out.
Perla, everybody getting in front of you.
Oh.
Hey guys, back up. There you go.
Baby,
Thank you.
look at Leo fit.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Let's
we
go.
should try and go to the pumpkin field first.
Yeah,
take
yeah.
pictures real fast.
Let's go do that.
And then like do everything else.
It's nice here. It looked a little different from last time when we came out here.
Because I remember that thing wasn't it like a jack? Like a...
Oh, because we came. Did we come Halloween?
Well, it is Halloween. It's this month.
Well,
This is the time that we came.
real, we ain't getting on the train right now. We're looking for some pumpkins.
Yeah, I think.
And that line is pretty freaking long.
No, I think it was
All the
this
way through
Go
there.
over there.
I don't
No,
know.
the pumpkins were
I
over
dropped
there.
the map too.
Really?
Bye-bye, you wanna get out? Take my baby out.
Hold on, we're trying to get you somewhere.
Look guys, look at the pumpkin thing right here. What is this, pumpkin tower? We're gonna take a picture right here in a minute. This is the pumpkin tower right here. They fake though. Gotta come back and take some pictures right there. Look, it's like a little,
Do you smell that?
smells cinnamonish, huh? Grandma goes nuts. A little shop here too.
I'm not done.
Oh, what's that? The Happy Bean.
Coffee shop.
Oh, that's a coffee shop. Here's the pumpkin patch, guys.
There's a lot of
Everybody,
people.
get my baby out of there.
I know I'm trying to.
Papas, come on. Come on. Heavy, just get out. Pumpkins. Ooh. You see the pumpkins? The big pumpkins. Oh, you trying to do a photo shoot? It's fine.
Look it right here. Right here.
Look at
See a
Popeyes.
little picture right here.
Go. You trying to pick it up? He trying to pick it up in the strong man.
Este, mira. You can use this one.
Ooh, what is that, a small one?
Baby pumpkin.
Woo! Baby. Look. There's more right here.
Sit down and take a picture with me.
Oh, yeah. Picture on 1, 2, 3. Come on. Ready? 1, 2. No eating.
No, a la boca no, Paco. Leo. Cheese.
Guys, look at this fire right here. They don't let this bad boy up. We about to go over there and chill. Eat some pumpkin. Oh, we gotta get a pumpkin pie.
Yeah, from here.
I can't eat sugar though.
Too bad.
I can't.
Have a slice for us. Well,
Guys, I'm on a low carb diet right now, but that's irrelevant right
sucks
now.
to be you because you started that literally right now in the holidays where you.
Gotta
you
eat
eat
everything. Hit the go, Papa. Look at they all deep and they tired. Look at him. He's sleepwalking. He don't even know where he at. He don't even know if he at the right farm still. Go. Look at him. He took off. Look at him. Baby, this way.
Hey, be careful.
Baby.
Be careful, baby. Love.
Say I am a baby.
Look at
Woohoo! It's fine. There him go. I'm in an airplane going to Dubai. No, I'm going to Africa.
Baby.
He don't even care. If he pull it, he'll go up. Guys, he is having so much fun at this pumpkin farm. Or patch. I don't know why we keep saying farm. Well, this is a farm, dude. But, yeah, look at him go. Look at him go. in the jumpy thing, we had to leave the jumpy part because he was bucking everybody, literally jumping, making everybody fall, just bucking them. And then one little girl came and hit him real good, and that was a wrap. He was done after that one. So we're gonna go back to that one for sure. Oh, look at him. It's like a latch that you actually pull to go up like them. Like you see how high they're going up? And he don't know how to pull it. Look at him. He the only one down there. He the only one down. Leo, Leo.
¡Woohoo! ¡Llegamos para arriba! ¡Llegamos para arriba,
Give me your hand before you get lost in the pumpkin patch. God, ooh, look at that one. That one got a lot of acne. Brother Harry, they doing the fireworks. Harry, we about to miss them. They're right there. Come on, Harry, Harry, Harry. Get my baby. Don't forget about him. Come on, run, run, run. Go, go, go. I guess we are gonna stay long enough for the fireworks. We in a rush now. Woohoo! Right here's fine, Perla.
Right here?
Woohoo! Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog of our Snyder
I can't do it.
Sniffer Farm.
Sniff farm. I can't pronounce it.
But this is the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you liked our video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back for another.
If you guys are in Arizona, make sure you come and check this place out because it's really fun and there's lots to do.
The channel. We see y'all next time. Peace. Him have fun. Him so cold. Him gonna sleep right in the car.
Oh yeah, and make sure you bring a jacket.